I have a Troy-built Bronco 13 of 60kg011. The brakes will not work while tractor is in gear. Will work when not in gear. Replace the brake pads and rotor, still won't stop when running. Made all adjustment to the brake nut as well.
Check to make sure that the pulley on top of your transaxle is coming to a stop when you depress your brake pedal. If your pulley is continuing to spin, then your drive belt is likely not loosening enough. When you depress your brake pedal, two things should happen. Your transaxle drive belt should loosen enough to prevent rotation of your transaxle pulley, and your brakes should prevent forward and reverse motions of your mower, regardless of the position of your gear shift lever, forward, neutral, or reverse. Have you recently replaced your drive belts?
Yes. Just replaced. How do I adjust?
Is your replacement belt an OEM belt, or an aftermarket belt?
OEM. It was very tight when installing.
I try calling your contact number, but the number listed is not working.
Try ###.
Thanks. I will try it now. Here is the image. Troy built manual, click here. Please take a look at this information from your manual. Click on the link above.
Fixed. It was a non-OEM drive belt. Bought a OEM at Lowe's, runs like new. Thanks.
You are very welcome. Thank you for letting me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.